Change outfits. Oh, wait, come on. It's okay. Hey guys, welcome to our life. I thought it would be fun to film a little day in the life so you guys can see what it's really like to run a multi-six-figure Etsy business plus an Etsy coaching business all at the same time. So welcome to our life. So quickly, just making sure there are no fires on Etsy, you know, angry customers this morning. That's the first thing I usually do. So I just got a funny customer message. I don't know if you guys get these. Hey, I'm about to order this. Can I get a discount? So I always say, yes, absolutely. We offer discounts for quantities of 20 or more. Just a little tip.
It's okay.
Okay, shoes on. Shoes on.
You today.
Okay, go to the car. So typically we get up at like 6:30, and we leave the house around 7:30 to get the boys to school. I have not really checked anything other than the Etsy messages just to make sure nothing's on fire. But when I get home, then I hit the ground running with email, Instagram messages, and then get on calls for the day. All right, just checking up on my orders. So it's about 7:50 in the morning. We have 5 orders, $233, 452 views so far today. When I get home, then I will add these orders to what Cindy does when she gets here. Now I'm heading to drop off baby Graham at the Montessori school, so we are on our way there. And then Cindy, my assistant, will be over in about 45 minutes to get started on work. So she does all the Etsy production, and she's pretty much handling most of it all on her own now. This thing is amazing. Robot vacuum, will never not have one again. All right, got all my things upstairs now. I'm probably not gonna be downstairs for a long time. But this is the work area where Cindy works. She is here all day working on orders. Just getting these orders prepped for Cindy. So she has about 25 orders to do today. All right, so this is the desk. This is where I do all my filming for YouTube videos. This is where I talk to all you guys. You'll see the background. I'm sure you recognize it. All right, so now I'm handling Instagram a little bit, just putting out some fires here. So about 30 messages overnight on Instagram, and then I'll get to email, and then the coaching group where all my students are asking questions every day. It's about 8:30. I'm just about to get on my first call. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours of calls today. So 7 hours on Zoom. It's a lot. And in between that, I do all the coaching with my students, responding to messages, helping Cindy, things like that. All right, so now I'm just jumping in to do some coaching in our community group here. So this is where you can ask me all of your questions 24/7 for 6 months as part of my program. So I'm gonna be diving in here. Just helped a student who is doing a partnership with Costco. So really excited about that, just showing her ways to kind of leverage that and milk it and everything for her shop and for social media. Now I'm gonna be helping someone with their packaging. So she just opened her shop like a couple days ago. This student is actually in Paris, and she is getting all of her kind of packaging materials ready, like thank you inserts, things like that. So I'm gonna be helping her strategize the best way to go about this, since her customers are gonna be both in France and the US. So I'm gonna dive into that and make her a video right now.
All right, so I am just in here answering all the questions on Instagram and email. So if you're talking right now, you are probably talking to me.
All right, just getting on another Zoom call with Rachel. Let's see, 2 down, about 5 more to go.
So I just finished setting up an online high yield savings account. So we're gonna be able to earn 4% on our savings right now. So that all that cash flow that we're generating from Etsy is going to start working for us a little bit more than just keeping it in our normal bank. And then once we have another real estate deal that we're ready to do, or another opportunity presents itself in the stock market, we'll still have the flexibility to go do that. But definitely important when additional cash flow from Etsy, that money is still working for you as someplace where it's earning you interest.
Just got off of my second call and refilling the coffee here, but about to go get on another call. I've got 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna be helping Cindy, making sure she's all set. She's almost done with her orders already, and it's only been a couple hours. All right, so I just got off 3 hours, back-to-back calls. We have 2 new members in our program, multi-six-figure Etsy Blueprint. So we have Stephanie and we have Rachel, so a huge welcome to them. And then I had a 3rd call. Now that is with a brand new team member. Her name is Allie, and she is actually joining my team, brand new. You're gonna see a lot more of her. Super smart, rock solid, so excited to have her. And now I'm gonna try to catch up on more coaching and probably eat something. It's like 1 o'clock and I'm gonna have carrot cake muffin or something from Trader Joe's for breakfast. So I'm starving. So I have Calendly on my phone all the time, and this is kind of gives me the notifications. I don't even know what's on the calendar until the day of 3:45. So I've got like 2 hours here. Gonna eat something, do some coaching. Cindy just left. She's my assistant. She's actually a military spouse here in San Diego. She comes in and works on all the orders, does all the packaging. She was sick today, so she had to go to urgent care. So, but she still got everything done. I mean, this girl is like so helpful. And now gotta get to work.
Hi, I'm making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for Dylan. This is her favorite lunch. She probably eats this 5 times a week, I would guess. Maybe 4 times a week. So I normally make Dylan lunch because she doesn't like making things in the kitchen as far as food goes. She says that the peanut butter and jelly tastes better when I make it, but what this really means is I don't want to make it.
All right, so I'm jumping back into the coaching group to get into my students' shops, figure out exactly what they need, and get them some coaching videos where I go through their pricing, their SEO, like critiquing all their listings, everything they need. So I'm about to do about an hour and a half of coaching for my students. Welcome to my crib. This is our garage. This is where we store all of our inventory. This is our painting tent where we do all the painting of our laser cut items. But come on in, come see what we've got going on. I'm pretty sure the neighbors think we're crazy, but whatever. This is where we basically have a lot of our inventory. You'll see all the boxes. This is filled with product. These boxes are filled with products. Our scrap wood. Come through here, you'll see our laser. We basically vent this out the garage door at night when we are cutting. Sometimes I'll bring my 5-year-old out here to spend time with mommy. So if you come this way, just watch your step. More inventory all the way up to the ceiling. I usually stand on this chair here to reach everything. And I was out here climbing up here. I was like 9 months pregnant. So this is packaging boxes. We have inventory up here as well. And then this is the little workbench where we do a lot of our, I don't even know what we do here, hammering things. Just getting back to all you guys on Instagram, trying to keep up with all your messages. As soon as we respond to 20 new ones are in. So thanks for all your patience with Instagram message response times. You can also always email team@dylanjarvis.com if your message got missed on Instagram. I just got through a couple hours of coaching students in the community group. I made a bonus module for the program all about how to find trends before they're on Etsy. I got another call with a prospective student in about 40 minutes. And then I'm gonna work on getting a YouTube video up tomorrow. We'll see which one. I have no idea which one. I have about 10 on deck that are edited, ready to go up. So I just got done with another Zoom call. Someone's gonna be joining the course with coaching, and now I am diving into Etsy just to see where things are at. I'm getting some labels printed for the things that are shipping tomorrow. My husband has been doing all of our Etsy messaging, all of our messaging sequence to customers. He has been handling all of that. That's what he'll be doing this evening. And then we have a bigger home decor item that was ordered. It's like $400, $500 from a customer. And we still do the packaging for that. So we'll be doing that this evening. And then my husband just went to get the kids. He always picks them up. So normally he goes to work. Today he didn't go to work, but he always picks up the kids from school. So he'll be bringing them home in about 10 minutes. Then we'll have like an hour and a half. Then I'll jump on 2 more calls tonight, and then we'll do bath time. And it's actually a lighter day than normal, which is like really bizarre, but it's good. It's good for a Monday. Hi.
Hi.
Go.
Is that mommy?
So as soon as Graham gets home, we always do a bottle. Right, Graham? Yeah.
Mom, there's bananas in water.
All right, the kids are home. I just sent out an email blast to like 500 something people about to have dinner. I don't really cook very much. So my husband's making spaghetti, and that's what we'll be having tonight.
You want to eat in this house, you gotta make it yourself. So I'm making dinner because I would like to eat dinner.
What would happen if I was in charge of dinner every night?
We can actually look back in history and find out what happened. And what happened was, one night was Domino's, one night was Panda Express, one night was Chick-fil-A. It was on a 7-day rotating schedule, so you get the drift. 7 different restaurants, 7 different meals.
It's a little chaotic. We've got a lot of things ready to get shipped out. Some Pokemon cards, toys, kind of babies. We've got inventory in lots of places. This is a pretty big shoe closet. Also want to show you our packaging stuff. This is where we keep everything. Now this is our guest room. We have a couple $1,000s of inventory. We just take it out of the dirty boxes from our supplier and we throw it on the bed until we have time to fold it and restock shelves. So we're about to have dinner, and then we have a couple more calls tonight, and then these kids are gonna go to bed. This one has teeth coming in. This one is probably gonna play Pokemon.
And then after we eat dinner, we're gonna have candy. Dear Jesus, thank you for food, and thank you for all the nice things we have. We work really hard. Thank you for all our stuff that we get. Dear Jesus, amen.
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 Just finished dinner, about to go jump on one more call, actually 2 more calls, and then I'll get the kids to bed. I just got off the last 2 hours of calls for the day. I'm very tired. It's totally dark out. My husband put the kids to bed. Now I am going to be packaging the orders because my assistant is sick and she's not coming in tomorrow. So, you know, it's 8 o'clock at night. I have a couple hours of coaching to do with students in the community group. I have a YouTube video to get up, get ready, create the thumbnail for, all of the social media assets to do for tomorrow. So the reels, the post, creating all the stuff in Canva where it's, you know, announcing the new students and giving them shout outs. I have to do that. And then responding to everyone on Instagram and email. So my husband and I are probably gonna tag team that. I really wanna get to bed before 11 o'clock, but might not happen. Yeah, so this is a pretty typical day. By the end of the day, I'm kind of fried mentally, but I hope you guys really enjoyed like coming along, day in the life. You know, we do very high volume in our Etsy shop. We probably have over 30 orders to package tonight. So that's kind of what we're doing on a daily basis. And then running, you know, a full-time coaching business, YouTube, we have the real estate stuff going on. We just have a lot going on, plus having 2 kids. We have more help than you saw today. It's not as little help as you saw today, but this is what it's like. And definitely there's a lot of short-term sacrifices, but we are extremely blessed, extremely blessed. And if you want to see more content like this, kind of day in the life things, definitely follow me over on Instagram at Dylan Jarris. And if you want to join my coaching program or you are interested in multi-6-figure Etsy Blueprint, my course, just reach out. You could always reach out to me on Instagram or schedule a call with me. So I was on those calls like 6 or 7 hours today. So if you want to talk more about your business, the program, how it could fit into your plans to scale your business, I would love to chat with you. And if you want to see another day in the life video, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment letting me know that you enjoyed this because it was a lot of work, but if you guys like it, I would be happy to do this more often. All right, I'll see you in the next video.